Low key, he taking off on everybody.
Everybody out here go. You may run out of battery. They run out of battery.
Shit, ain't it?
That's crazy.
How long you had it for? A few months?
Yeah, about a month and a half.
Like it? Yeah.
I had a Jeep.
So you got rid of the stat? Was it up on this one? So it's kind of redundant now. I got the fuck up. You.
We got the you. Look at him. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Let me get that spot, right? I be having these niggas on you, boy.
Ain't no way. Yeah. I see. Dang. I never heard one. I only seen one. You mind if I could check out the interior? Right. Oh, okay. That's how you open it. Bro, the interior is crazy. This low-key fucking fire. At least in the inside, bro. This is fire. Like, look, it got the roof. I ain't gonna lie, the inside is fucking clean as hell. Damn, yeah, I'm fucking with this. That's clean. All they need to do is go ahead and put a HEMI in it. But nah, this hard. I think it's a little overhated because it's electric, but it's sweet though. You silly.
It is. Parking lot.
Look at him showing off, man. Oh, wow, wow, wow. You ain't have to stunt on us like that, man. Damn. Oh no, that's what made my boy unique for sure. Clean, clean.
What up, goddamn? Alright. We don't want the police to get on you or nothing like that. We don't want the police.
You good?
I ain't realized they was sitting right there.
I'm getting no free content grill.
Man, hey.
Crashing out the wind?
Excuse me, what is all this?
A car show right now? Yeah.
Do they do this all the time over here?
Over here? Nah.
It be everywhere.
Well, yeah.
So like, I tell you what, you can follow certain pages. They post almost every day, every week.
Yeah.
What's it on? Is it on Facebook?
Instagram.
Instagram? What's the name of the page?
It's so damn hard.
What? This?
It's that HELLCAT body kit.
Hey, that's that dude with the crazy dash. The dash I was telling you about, his whole dash is the screen. Yeah, this shit.
Oh, I see you. Oh. Damn, I ain't even peeped this. Oh, the Challenger.
What's that RT?
Yeah, it's an older guy, ain't it?
It's that guy with the red.
Oh, okay, I could be. Oh, yeah, Nino. He just got some fucking boost or something. Something like that. Yeah. Sure do got the VIP. And yeah. Ooh, yeah, he wasn't lying. How to, ooh. When last time you had your hood? Well, it's been raining a lot, so I'm pretty sure you probably have.
For sure, I keep the car in the garage. I haven't really.
Oh, okay.
I haven't really been like driving.
Yeah.
I'll be taking it out like on Sundays and Thursdays.
Yeah, when you go out there. You know him?
I know I see that yellow hoodie. I see that car.
Yeah.
How's it going, my boy?
Whoa, he just stole your hand saying, damn. What's up, my boy? What's up, brother? You alright?
Yeah, chilling.
How you been?
Good, man. Good. How you feeling?
Good.
Got the hood on.
Yeah, you gotta have that on, man. What you doing with that camera, man?
Hey, is this a face off?
All the generations different. Okay.
he says right here, right? How this world is, how this world right now, people don't close to nobody. You over here like, over there.
Damn.
He be out at 35. Let's get out of here. Stop pulling up. Stop pulling up. You're 2 minutes away.
Nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?